Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So I wanted to do another quick how-to video, and in this video I'm teaching you how to do the Romanian deadlifts correctly. RDLs honestly took me so long to get the proper form and technique. I think it took me almost 1 year of just practicing and trying to learn how to do them without injuring my back, because before, whenever I would do them, I would always have back pain the next day. And one thing that really helped me was practicing the correct form without using any weights. And basically, before I ever do RDLs, I always practice in front of the mirror. I focus on pushing my hips back and lowering my back slowly. Before, when I would do RDLs, I was mainly focused on lowering my back, and I think that largely caused my back pain. So instead, I try my best to just push my hips back, and by doing this I really feel it in my glutes and my hamstring, which is what you want from this particular exercise. And then after I feel like I have practiced enough, I do the same thing but with a bar. And you don't need to do all of this. I just find that slowly teaching myself how to have better form doing the RDLs is what has allowed me to do them correctly when I have weights on my bar. And as you can see, I'm still trying to focus on pushing my hips back and slowly lowering my arms. And when I get to the top, I squeeze my glutes. And then when I feel like I have practiced enough, this is when I add the plates to the bar. I think those are either 10s or 15 plates, and I'm adding them on both sides. And honestly, I think the best way to improve your form is just by starting with light weights. I feel like sometimes there might be some eagerness to start with a heavier weight, but honestly, if you want to have correct form and you want to minimize your back pain as much as possible, I think just starting off light and really learning how to do proper form is the best way to go. And after securing the plates onto the bar, I'm now ready to do the RDLs with weights. And as you can see, I bend my knees a little bit and then push my hip back and lower the bar. And I'm really slow with doing RDLs, and I feel like it just allows me to feel the burn in my glutes and my hamstrings. I think another thing that really helped with my form was doing it in front of a mirror, and also sometimes I would record myself because it can be hard to know if you are doing the correct form if you can't really see what it looks like from the side. So I like to film myself, and I also like to stand in an area of the gym where I can see myself from different angles. And this is what I look like from the front. As you can see, my feet are hip wide apart, and I'm pushing my hips back and squeezing my glutes when I get to the top. As well, the goal is not to bring the bar as low as possible. When I feel like I can't push my hips back any further, that is when I stop bringing the bar down. So I wanted to show an example of using the incorrect form. So as you can see with this, I'm bringing the bar too low because my hips have stopped pushing back, but I'm still lowering the bar. And doing the incorrect form can cause a lot of back pain because you're putting too much strain on your back. And this exercise is meant to target your hamstrings and glutes. And I know my form is not perfect, but I think I have gotten a lot better from when I first started, and now when I do it, I don't have back pain. And learning how to slowly perfect the form is honestly what has helped me, and I hope by watching this video and watching me kind of show you how I've learned how to do the RDL properly was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.